Welcome to Eye-Catching Tech. Get ready to explore the coolest survival gadgets you should know about. From innovative tools to essential gear, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Tempest RS 150. Introducing the Tempest RS 150, the epitome of quick, convenient shelter solutions. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this innovative shelter sets the standard for easy assembly and superior durability. Crafted with an advanced GRP composite block, it's both lightweight and remarkably resilient against wear and tear. The rapid knuckle system ensures effortless setup, featuring built-in skullcap mounts for added convenience. What's more, the enhanced Aquatex fabric boasts a multi-layer breathable system, offering an impressive 25,000 HH water repellency alongside blackout pigment to minimize light and heat intrusion. Whether you're angling in unpredictable weather or seeking a hassle-free camping experience, the Tempest RS 150 stands as a testament to quality, efficiency, and comfort. SB9 Heated Sleeping Bag. Experience the ultimate in warmth and comfort with the SB9 Heated Sleeping Bag. Say goodbye to chilly nights as you drift off into a cocoon of coziness. Designed with convenience in mind, all electrical components are seamlessly integrated and interchangeable, cleverly concealed within special installation zones. The system is customizable, accommodating up to 4 heating pads for personalized warmth. Crafted from waterproof and breathable fabric, the top layer ensures dryness and comfort even in damp conditions. The wraparound zipper adds practicality, allowing for easy access and temperature regulation. Despite its advanced features, the SB9 remains impressively lightweight at just 3.8 kilograms, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures where staying warm is paramount. Embrace the luxury of warmth wherever your journey takes you with the SB9 Heated Sleeping Bag. Instafire Inferno Pro. The Instafire Inferno Pro outdoor biomass stove revolutionizes camp cooking. It's versatile, burning various biomass fuels like wood pellets, sticks, and even charcoal. With Instafire canned heat, it ignites swiftly and withstands 30 miles per hour winds, ensuring a reliable flame. Temperatures soar up to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for quick meals or boiling water in just 2 minutes with Firepucks or Instafire canned heat. What sets it apart is the battery or USB-powered fan, offering precise control, efficiency, and smoke-free operation. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a backyard enthusiast, the Inferno Pro enhances your outdoor culinary experience with its durability, adaptability, and rapid performance. Say goodbye to traditional campfires and hello to the future of outdoor cooking with Instafire Inferno Pro. EXØD Monolith. The EXØD Monolith redefines camping with its futuristic design and cutting-edge features. This next-level shelter is designed for one person and built to withstand all 4 seasons. Its light-proof construction ensures a restful sleep, while its eco-friendly design aligns with sustainable principles. Waterproof capabilities guarantee protection from the elements, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. Inspired by the inflatable technology of kite surfing wings, the Monolith can be set up on the ground in under 15 seconds, providing instant shelter wherever you go. Whether you're embarking on a solo expedition or seeking refuge in the wilderness, the EXØD Monolith offers unparalleled convenience, comfort, and reliability. Step into the future of camping with this innovative shelter and elevate your outdoor experience to new heights. Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel. The Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel is the ultimate solution for adventurers facing extreme wet conditions. With its waterproof IPX8 rating, this duffel is fully submersible, ensuring your gear stays dry even in the harshest environments. Watertight and airtight zippers further enhance its protective capabilities, keeping moisture out completely. The extended Dr. Bag style opening allows for easy access to your belongings, while its 3,000 cubic inches capacity maximizes carry-on size for convenience. Constructed with welded seams and durable TPU-coated fabric, this duffel is built to withstand rugged terrain and rough handling. Whether you're trekking through rainforests or navigating rough waters, the Kodiak 3000 Submersible Duffel offers peace of mind and reliable protection for your valuable gear, making it an essential companion for any adventure. Procamptek Fire Strip Roll. The Procamptek Fire Strip Roll is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Encased in a compact 3-inch buck-sized screw-top metal tin, this versatile fire-starting tinder offers unmatched convenience and portability. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, hiking adventure, or facing an emergency situation, having reliable fire-starting materials is crucial. The Fire Strip Roll's tightly rolled design ensures it takes up minimal space in your gear while providing maximum functionality. To use, simply unravel a portion of the roll, fluff it up, and ignite it with a spark or flame. Its efficiency and ease of use make it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast's kit. With the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll, you can rest assured knowing you're prepared to kindle a warm fire wherever your adventures lead you. Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade. The Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade is the epitome of reliability and affordability in a survival knife. Crafted to withstand the toughest conditions, this knife offers exceptional versatility and comes with a range of useful extras. Alongside its durable construction and sharp blade, the Ultimate Fixed Blade includes essential survival tools like a fire steel, emergency whistle, and even a sharpening stone conveniently integrated into the sheath. Whether you're braving the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, having these extras on hand can make all the difference. From starting fires to signaling for help, the Gerber Ultimate Fixed Blade equips you with the tools you need to tackle any situation with confidence. With its solid performance and array of features, this knife proves that quality survival gear doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Everfun Cooler Backpack. The Everfun Cooler Backpack is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. With its ability to keep contents cool for up to 20 hours and its leak-proof design, it ensures your drinks and snacks stay refreshingly chilled wherever you go. Featuring 2 insulated compartments and multiple pockets, it offers ample space for organizing your essentials, from beverages to utensils. Its durable and wipe-clean exterior ensures longevity and easy maintenance, while its ergonomic design and portability make it comfortable to carry on long journeys. With a generous capacity of 30 cans or 22 liters, this backpack is perfect for picnics, hiking trips, beach outings, and more. Say goodbye to bulky coolers and hello to the convenience and functionality of the Everfun Cooler Backpack, your ultimate companion for keeping cool on the move. Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. The Zippo Emergency Fire Kit is the ultimate solution for starting fires in any situation. This compact kit stores a Zippo flint spark wheel and 5 lightweight paraffin wax-coated spark tinders, ensuring you're always prepared to ignite a flame when needed. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, the EFK's rugged ABS plastic construction and water-resistant storage provide durability and peace of mind. Its ergonomic design with a textured grip ensures easy handling, while the molded lanyard hole offers convenient portability. Plus, the EFK floats in water, making it suitable for maritime adventures as well. With the ability to ignite with a spark or flame and burn for up to 5 minutes, the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. BeaverCraft BSH3. The BeaverCraft BSH3 is a top-tier outdoor tool, distinguished by its exceptional craftsmanship and unique features. Its high-quality carbon steel blade, boasting a hardness of 58 to 68 HRC, sets it apart as an outstanding cutting instrument that maintains its sharpness over extended use. This bush knife is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, from bushcrafting to survival situations. Its durable construction ensures reliability in any environment, while its ergonomic design offers comfort and precision during use. Whether you're carving wood, preparing food, or tackling other outdoor tasks, the BeaverCraft BSH3 delivers optimal performance and durability. With its blend of quality materials and thoughtful design, this knife is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable and versatile tool for their adventures. EST Gear L1 Headlamp. The EST Gear L1 Headlamp is a game-changer in the world of illumination. With its remarkable versatility, this headband light doubles as a magnetic lamp, providing unparalleled convenience and functionality. The Torch L1 stands out as the world's most adaptable flashlight, offering hands-free use as a headlamp or easy placement with its flat magnetic bottom. Boasting an impressive 1500 lumens, this waterproof and rechargeable flashlight is ready for any adventure, yet compact enough for everyday use. Equipped with a 3,500 mAh high-drain battery, it ensures extended runtimes of up to 20 days, making it ideal for long trips or emergency situations. Whether you're camping, hiking, working, or exploring, the EST Gear L1 Headlamp provides the brightness and reliability you need to light up your path and conquer any challenge. Gerber Versafix. The Gerber Versafix is a cutting-edge hybrid, combining the functionality of a fixed-blade knife with the power of a machete. Its innovative design features baton jimping, allowing for precise control and enhanced grip during tough cutting tasks. The handle, crafted with a high durometer material, ensures exceptional comfort and durability even during prolonged use. With full tank construction, the Versafix boasts unmatched strength and reliability, making it a dependable tool for outdoor adventures and survival situations. Whether you're clearing brush, chopping wood, or preparing camp, this versatile blade offers the performance and versatility needed to tackle any challenge. With the Gerber Versafix in hand, you'll have the confidence to conquer the wilderness with ease, knowing you have a reliable tool by your side. Outdoor Vitals Down TopQuilt. The Outdoor Vitals Down TopQuilt is your ultimate companion for cozy nights under the stars. Designed to help you stay warm and comfortable in the great outdoors, this TopQuilt is engineered to eliminate cold drafts and provide intuitive ease of use. Crafted with 800 fill-power hyper-dry water repellent down, it offers superior insulation and protection against moisture, ensuring you stay warm and dry even in damp conditions. Not only does it keep you snug throughout the night, but it also saves precious weight and space in your backpack, making it an essential addition to any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or simply enjoying a night under the open sky, the Outdoor Vitals Down TopQuilt delivers unparalleled warmth, comfort, and convenience, allowing you to fully embrace the beauty of nature without sacrificing comfort. Weyland Tracker Knife. The Weyland Tracker Knife sets the standard for superior hunting gear. This fixed-blade carry knife boasts a robust construction, featuring a full 11.5-inch total length with a 6-inch blade and 5 mm thickness. Its full-tang design ensures maximum durability and strength, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. The knife's G10 grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, even in challenging conditions, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. Complete with a sheath for convenient and safe storage, the Weyland Tracker Knife is ready to tackle any hunting task with ease and precision. Whether you're tracking game or navigating the wilderness, this knife is a testament to quality craftsmanship and performance, ensuring you're prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Blavor PN-W12 Pro. The Blavor PN-W12 Pro is a game-changing solar charger, combining innovation with reliability to keep you powered up wherever your adventures take you. With its foldable solar panels and 20,000 mAh capacity, it delivers fast charging in any environment. The USB Type-C connector ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, while the waterproof, shockproof, and dust-proof design provides durability for outdoor use. Equipped with 18-watt power delivery and 3.0 quick charger, it ensures rapid charging when you need it most. Plus, its super bright camping light doubles as an emergency flashlight, providing illumination in low-light situations. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, the Blavor PN-W12 Pro is your reliable companion for staying connected and powered up on the go. Lifesaver Jerry Can Water Purifier. The Lifesaver Jerry Can Water Purifier is a must-have for anyone venturing into the great outdoors or preparing for emergency situations. This robust and portable water filter offers peace of mind by instantly purifying water, ensuring safe drinking water wherever you are. With a capacity of 18.5 liters, it can filter up to 20,000 liters of water, removing viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites without the need for chemicals or electricity. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a disaster, the Lifesaver Jerry Can provides a reliable source of clean drinking water, essential for survival and well-being. Its durable construction and high-performance filtration make it a valuable addition to any outdoor gear collection or emergency preparedness kit, ensuring you're always prepared to stay hydrated and healthy in any situation. Gerber Center-Drive. The Gerber Center-Drive is a game-changing multi-tool designed to tackle any task with precision and ease. Its innovative center axis driver mimics the alignment of a rail screwdriver, delivering maximum torque and rotation for unparalleled performance. With a 1-FEM opening system, accessing the tool you need is quick and effortless, even in challenging conditions. Equipped with spring-loaded needle nose pliers featuring an X-channel rail system, it provides a secure grip and precise control for intricate tasks. Additionally, its rotatable carbide wire cutters and strippers ensure efficient cutting and stripping of wires with minimal effort. Whether you're working on a DIY project, performing repairs, or facing outdoor challenges, the Gerber Center-Drive is your go-to tool for versatility, durability, and reliability. With its innovative features and high-quality construction, it's a must-have for any toolbox, workshop, or adventure kit. OGD Survival Axe. The OGD Survival Axe is the ultimate outdoor multi-tool, combining functionality, durability, and versatility in one compact package. Featuring a hatchet blade for cutting and chopping, a hammerhead with a nail claw and pry bar for pounding and leveraging, and a replaceable 6-inch thin kerf reciprocal saw blade for cutting through tough materials. This axe is designed to handle a wide range of tasks in the wilderness or during emergencies. Constructed with 420 stainless steel full tang, it ensures durability and reliability even in the harshest conditions. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, or preparing for survival situations, the OGD Survival Axe is your indispensable companion for tackling any challenge with confidence and efficiency. With its array of useful features and rugged construction, it's the ultimate tool for outdoor adventurers and preppers alike. Sunyear Camping Hammock. The Sunyear Camping Hammock is the epitome of comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. This lightweight and portable hammock is perfect for camping, hiking, or simply relaxing in nature. What sets it apart is its innovative design, which includes a rainfly tent for added protection from the elements. With easy assembly and waterproof features, this hammock offers hassle-free setup and ensures you stay dry and comfortable even in rainy conditions. Additionally, it comes with a net and protective cover, providing an extra layer of security against insects and weather. Whether you're lounging under the stars or seeking shelter during a downpour, the Sunyear Camping Hammock has you covered. Experience ultimate relaxation and peace of mind on your outdoor adventures with this versatile and practical hammock solution. Annihilate FA3 Survival Shovel. The Annihilate FA3 Survival Shovel redefines versatility and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. With its innovative 6-position shift key, this shovel transforms from a full-size tool to a compact, portable footprint that fits effortlessly in your backpack or vehicle. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing emergency situations, this shovel is always ready for action. Its quick and easy unfolding mechanism ensures you're equipped for any task at a moment's notice, from digging trenches to clearing debris. Crafted with durable materials, the Annihilate FA3 is built to withstand rugged terrain and heavy use, making it a reliable companion on all your outdoor adventures. With this survival shovel by your side, you can tackle any challenge with confidence and ease, knowing you have a versatile tool ready to help you overcome obstacles and thrive in the wilderness.